guys, welcome back to my channel, The Rebel Neon Amica, and today I want to show you the Artline Stix. I got the 16 colors pack. I believe I got it for $14.99. Now it's a little bit pricier, so I suggest you to get the 20 colors one. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the links for the 20 and the 16 colors pack below. So what's unique about these markers is pretty much the barrel. It has these Lego things, tentacles, however you want to call them, and the barrel is triangular. It's a triangular shape, so that's what makes it hard to grab at first. You need to get the hang of it on your hand. The tip is like no other tip. Pretty much is pretty, I don't know, unlike the regular tips. It's not like a Tombow, for example. This one is chubby. It's a fat pointy tip, and it's very firm. It's not really bouncy, so depending on how you like your brush marks, you might love it or hate it. So here I'm gonna blend them tip to tip, like, you know, this famous super known method. I don't like it that much. I don't know if I might frame my tips if I do it too much, but anyway, just to show you how easily they blend together, the pretty effects you can get. These colors are water soluble, and you can make your own watercolors with them really easily, actually. Then the tip gets cleaned up and you can keep blending. So I'm gonna try a more contrasting color for you to see it. And I'm telling you, it's so easy to do blends with this. Even though I'm not a blending person, I find it extremely easy with these pens. So pretty much depending on how you like your brush pens to be, you might love or hate these pens. I love them. They are very firm. If you like your brush pens to be bouncier, I don't think this is a pen for you, to be honest, because this is not as bouncy. I mean, it has a very limited flexibility. The contrast between thin and thick strokes is not that prominent, but the colors are very opaque, very vibrant. All the colors that you see in the barrel are the colors you have in the ink, except the light blue. The light blue has a pastel color in the barrel, but yeah, it's actually more blue than pastel. So on that exception, all the colors are very, very identical to the barrel, so that's nice. I'm actually loving them. If I had known that I was gonna like them so much, I would probably have gotten already the 20 color pack. But anyway, I needed to try it, and this was a good try. You can grab a ceramic bowl, put some color in there, add water, and make your own watercolors. You can use them as watercolor painting, and it's nice. It's very vibrant, as you can tell. I'm doing some sprinkling in here. I don't know how to say it. Sparks, drips, whatever. But this was fun to do. It was really fun to do, and mixing the colors to get those drops. It was nice. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and found it useful. I struggle a lot trying to make it a short video, but I hope to see you in the next video anyway. Stay home, stay safe, and see you soon.